Every single day I make money with cryptocurrency online, and I have done for many, many years. And what I want to do in this video is show you exactly how you can make money with cryptocurrency in 2022. It's a brand new year, things are changing, and I want to show you some of the best ways for complete beginners to go and make money with things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. So if you've been thinking about jumping into the cryptocurrency space, you don't know how to make money in the cryptocurrency space, this is the video for you. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So how do you actually make money in the cryptocurrency space? I'm going to show you a few ways in this video that you can do this and some of the most common ways that people are making money right now. Now, I've been investing in cryptocurrency since like 2009. I've done considerably well in this space. And I know what's working right now and how you can go ahead and do this. Now, this is going to be a very quick tutorial, perfect for beginners, showing you how you can earn with cryptocurrency. And I'm going to teach you everything you need to know in under 10 minutes. That's the goal of this video. And that's the goal of most of my videos, to give you all of the information as quick as possible so you can get back to what you were doing. Now, as usual, we're doing a giveaway for every single one of my courses in this video. What you need to do is find the emoji in this video, smash that like button, and then comment below what the emoji is, and we will announce a winner in the next video in the comment section. So let's jump into this tutorial and get started. All right, guys, before we jump into this tutorial, something important that I need to tell you is that you should always store your cryptocurrencies long-term in a ledger wallet or an offline wallet. Now, I'm not promoting this or anything like that. This is just something that you should be doing if you are trying to get into the cryptocurrency space. So if you want to learn more about that, you can go to ledger.com to learn more about what these do and how you can hold your cryptocurrency offline with these specific devices. So number one, now this isn't actually the number one way. This is just how I've done it. This is in no particular order. But the most common way to make money with crypto is to build a crypto portfolio. Now, what you can actually do if you're completely new to crypto is you can go to a website called CoinMarketCap, and you can go down and you can see all of the top cryptocurrencies by their market capitalization. So you've got like your Bitcoins, your Ethereum, that's, you know, like the blue chip stuff, the top stuff. You got Solana, which is becoming very, very popular. You got Cardano. I actually sold a lot of Cardano recently, not really into that anymore. And then you go down, you've got all of these, you know, coins that you should probably do a lot of research on because a lot of these could potentially be garbage. That's just my opinion. Based on my research, these are pretty good, but you should also always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose, because Bitcoin and Ethereum and stuff is very volatile, as you can see here. We've had some pretty red days lately. But this could also be a good buying opportunity, so do your research and decide whether you should be buying these or not. Now, to build a portfolio, it's kind of the same as stocks. You just buy in when you've got the money. When the market's down, you can dollar cost average in. To do that, you can use websites like Coinbase.com, is pretty much the one that everyone goes to when they are a complete beginner, and they have the ones that you can buy on the front page, and you can simply start an account. You can also use Binance.com, which is another one. This is a pretty good one. I use this one sometimes to buy my coins and put them in my offline wallet. And you can see the market trends here as well. One that I use a lot is called Bittrex Global. I think that's how you pronounce it. And we can log into my account right here. And you can see they've got all of the information here. So what you can buy and exchange and stuff like that. And essentially all you're doing when you're trying to build a portfolio is you're researching cryptocurrencies that you want to invest in. You need to actually do research. Don't just buy whatever people tell you. But you want to build up a portfolio. Let's get this out here. This is the last 5 days, we're down a lot. I've been buying like here. I buy every time it's down because I believe in Bitcoin in the long term. But yeah, you can come onto this website here, you can place a buy order, and you can buy your cryptocurrencies, and you can build your own cryptocurrency portfolio. The next one is one of my favorites, and that is mining crypto from your graphics card, or GPU for short, from your PC. This is very simple to do, and I'm doing this right now. So I'm actually making around about $35 per day doing this. I usually make around about 50 on average. So right now, based on the current price, I'm making around about $1,000 per month. Now, this has gone down a lot recently, but usually it's around about 50 per day. You can come to a website called minerstat.com, and you can go to the calculator, and you can find your graphics card here. And this is how much you would make per day from one graphics card that you have. So I have 8 graphics cards. That's why I can make quite a bit more. Now, $2, $5, $8 a day might not seem a lot, but it's a good way to make a little bit of cryptocurrency on the side if you're not using your PC. Now, if you want to know how to actually set up this and get everything running, if you go to YouTube and put in mining Ethereum, my video's at the top. I have a full video tutorial showing you exactly how to set this up. And as you can see, when I did this tutorial, I was making $143 per day. Now, it does sometimes go back up to this. It really just depends on the price and how many people are actually mining Ethereum. But this is a really good way to make cryptocurrency if you have some graphics cards or one graphics card, or you want to buy some more graphics cards to mine Ethereum. Ethereum is the most profitable, and it has been for a long time, and it still will be for some time. Now, they are changing it in the future, and I think Raven Coin, when they do change the Ethereum, Raven Coin will be the next most profitable one, because this is going to proof of stake at some stage, and you won't be able to mine it, but I'm not sure when that's happening. They've been saying this for a long time, and it just keeps getting delayed, I think. But anyway, mining is a very good way to make money with cryptocurrencies. All right, guys, number 3. Now, I think I did number 3 before. I forgot to change the number, but it doesn't really matter. It's not in order. The next one is become a cryptocurrency affiliate. Now, what is this? A lot of my subscribers probably already know what this is, but I'll tell you exactly what it is. So this is my Binance account right here, and you can see all of these coins that I have, right, that are valued at $1 here, 127 here. Now, apart from this Solana, because I did buy some recently, all of this is affiliate marketing commissions. So what this means is I've gotten these coins from other people buying coins on this platform, and I can trade these out for money. This is called affiliate marketing, and it keeps going. Some of them are quite a bit like the Shiba Inu and stuff, and a lot of these are tiny, but it all adds up. This is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate commissions from people buying coins. I get a commission from it. So, for example, this is the Binance affiliate program page. And if you recommend Binance to your audiences, you earn up to 50% lifetime commissions on every qualified trade. Now, I think that's 50% in just the fees, so not like what they buy. And all the information is down here. So it's got the commission structure down here. It's like referral marketing, but it's called affiliate marketing. So essentially what happens is you will get a custom link. If someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you will get a commission. So you'll get a part of the fee that they get charged. So here's a great example here. Here's a video of someone that's doing a video on how to make money on crypto.com app. If we scroll down here, I think this is like his own course or something. If we scroll down, these are affiliate links. So for example, he has get a free $10 bonus on Coinbase. If I click this link, it will take me through to Coinbase. And if I sign up, I will get a free $10, but he will also get some money in return in the form of cryptocurrency. So let's go to Coinbase.com, and all you got to do is scroll down to the bottom. Now I think he's doing the refer a friend one, but there's an affiliate one. If you scroll to the bottom of Coinbase, and you can click on affiliate. Now, every website pretty much has an affiliate page, and it will take you through the process of becoming an affiliate for Coinbase. You can do this for pretty much every single cryptocurrency exchange. Become an affiliate, promote Coinbase, earn a commission. So these are just two of the ones that you could sign up to. Coinbase.com and also Binance.com have their own affiliate marketing program. And the way you promote these affiliate links is by doing YouTube videos. You can do blogs. You can do email marketing. You can do loads of things to get traffic to those custom affiliate marketing links. Now, if you go to my YouTube channel, I actually have a lot of content on affiliate marketing. Just did a video recently on affiliate marketing. This one here, I made $4,000 in one day with affiliate marketing. And we scroll down, I have tips on how to get traffic for affiliate marketing. This is another affiliate marketing tutorial. I have tons of affiliate marketing tutorials. Here's another one. So you can go through my content and find out how to do affiliate marketing, and you can apply that to promoting these types of platforms. So that's how you can make some more cryptocurrency with affiliate marketing, and this is great for beginners. All right, guys, now another way to make money with cryptocurrency is you can earn interest on your crypto. Now, I have missed something out in this video. I was going to add in day trading, where you could essentially buy at the bottom, sell at the top. You know, you can day trade cryptocurrencies, but that's more for advanced people. So I did miss that out in this video because I don't think that day trading is obviously the best thing for beginners because you need to know what you're doing. So I did miss out day trading in this, but day trading is something you could look into if you like. where essentially you buy Bitcoin low and you sell it high, and you do swing trades and you time the market and you do all this crazy stuff, right, to make money. So if you want to get into day trading, you could potentially look into that. There's a couple of ways you could earn interest on your cryptocurrency. We'll look at two websites. So let's say you got some cryptocurrency and you want to earn some interest. You could go to a website called Nexo, for example, and it's kind of like a bank. You put your cryptocurrency in here. They have pretty high security. I mean, this goes against what I said at the start of the video with keeping your stuff in your own wallet, but they have military grade security apparently, and you can earn around about 17% on your crypto. If you scroll down on this website, it's got a scale showing you, say, hey, if you put $10,000 into Bitcoin with them, in 36 months, it could be worth 11,900. Now, this has probably changed dramatically with the price recently. I'm not really too sure how this website works or how they calculate their interest, return on investment, but you can essentially make money by just having crypto on these websites, kind of like bank accounts. Now, if we go down, this is the rate that they give you every single year. You could look into this potentially and earn some interest on your cryptocurrency. Now, another place you can do this is Binance, and you can go to earn, and there's lots that you can do. You can do what they call staking. And pretty much every crypto website exchange has this type of thing that you can do, okay? So this one, you lock it in. So you can stake some of these coins, but you have to lock it. So you basically lock it in. And there's all of these ones you can lock in. And then you just choose how many days, and it tells you the percent that you get. So the longer days, the higher the lower the return, okay? So 10 days, 31% return. But yeah, you would just have to go and check out. I'm actually staking a lot of Sol right now in an offline wallet. But these are pretty good returns. I don't have mine locked in. I can take it out whenever I like, but I have it staking. I'm not going to look at it for a long time. But this is a great way to make money with cryptocurrency in 2022. If you already have cryptocurrency that you can put into these staking systems and these things that give you interest in return. All right, guys, so that is a few ways you can go and make money with crypto. You can build a cryptocurrency portfolio. You can mine cryptocurrency. You can become a crypto affiliate. You can also do day trading and things like that. And you can also earn interest on your cryptocurrency. These are some great ways to make money with cryptocurrency if you are a complete beginner. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.